Do you need someone? Are you scared of what's to come? If you leave, then who will the next one be?